Hi everyone, my name is Reza Nadimi and this is my CS50Web final project, a web application I built called WhatToCook. It is a full-stack Django and JavaScript project that helps users discover and generate personalized recipes using AI integration with LLM Studio, all running locally and asynchronously through Celery and Redis. The goal of this project is to combine modern backend technologies with real-world usability, something both practical and fun. Project overview and distinctiveness. Let me give you an overview. WhatToCook is not just a simple CRUD app. It is an AI-assisted recipe recommender system built entirely from scratch. Unlike traditional recipe apps that just show static content, this one connects to LLM Studio, an open-source local AI model, through Django Celery tasks. This allows users to get unique AI-generated recipe suggestions instantly, and the results are cached so you don't need to refetch the same queries later. I also implemented a modern mobile-responsive front-end with dynamic JavaScript that updates suggestions, filters, and recipe details without full page reloads, making it feel like a single page app. Let's take a look at the site. Homepage. This is the homepage where you can browse featured recipes that are actually seeded into database using Django's seed data command. Login, sign up. The app includes full authentication. Users can log in or register securely. I have improved usability by adding visible borders around input fields and responsive form designed for mobile users. AI suggestions page. Here's where the magic happens. When I type a few ingredients and click Get AI suggestions, the request is sent to Django view that queues a Celery task. Async task flow. Celery then uploads the AI calls to LLM Studio, and while it's processing the front end periodically, calls the AI task status endpoint using JavaScript. Once the result is ready, it automatically displays the AI-generated recipes without reloading the page. If we go back later, the cached AI results are retrieved instantly from the temporary database, so it is efficient to talk about the stack and structure. Backend, Django 5 with PostgreSQL, Celery, and Redis. Frontend, vanilla JavaScript with AJAX for async UI updates. AI integration, LLM Studio's local REST API configurable with environment variables. Dockerized setup, every service runs in its own container, web, database, Redis, and Celery, ensuring portability. Environment variables, model names, AI endpoints, and keys are stored securely using .env and Django's OS.get env integration. The app also includes unit tests for AI APIs and JSON parsing logic, ensuring everything works reliably. Complexity and distinctiveness. What makes this project distinct and complex is a combination of local AI inferences, asynchronous task handling, and real-time front-end updates, all within a Dockerized Django environment. It goes beyond the earlier CS50Web projects. This isn't just CRUD or e-commerce. It's a self-learning system that dynamically interacts with an AI model and handles async data pipelines. Additionally, I have integrated caching mechanisms, database relationships for user favorites, and structured the project to be easily scaled. Responsive design and UI. The entire site is mobile responsive. I use CSS grid and Flexbox layouts to ensure it adapts to the different screen sizes. Also added small UI touches like hover effects, colorful buttons, and animations for recipe cards to make it visually engaging. Each recipe has its own detailed page, where users can view images, ingredients, and cooking steps. Running the app is straightforward. Just clone the repository and run Docker Compose up -d Docker Compose run web Python manage.py migrate, and Docker Compose run web Python manage.py seed data. This will start the Postgres database, Redis, and Django web server. You can then access it at localhost :8000. Conclusion. That's my final project, WhatToCook. It's a modern AI-powered recipe web app built with Django, JavaScript, and Docker. I learned a lot about asynchronous systems, local AI integration, and web scalability while building it. Thanks for watching. This was CS50Web.